offers us free credit. You see, sign up, free credit, get up to 600 free credit. When you sign up to this platform, you have 600 free credit to use Seedance 2.0 for free and unlimited. And guys, don't be in a hurry because I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can get this done. All right, and I'm going to review the name of the platform in this video. So don't skip any part so don't miss the name of this platform. So let's proceed. The first one, sign up. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up. Once you click here, I'll prefer you use your, and look down here, it said you must over 14 years old. Without that, it will not go through. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click this sign up, right? Awesome. You have to be 14 years old upward before you can use this platform. Go ahead and click that sign up. I'm going to select the email of my choice, right? The email you've not used on this platform before. Beautiful. So let's see if we'll be able to get our free credit. So the moment you sign up, you're going to see this AI credit, 600 credits. So guys, you see, you automatically been given 600 credits. I'm going to show you how you can literally double this, okay, if you want to keep using this platform and complete your project. If you have a project you want to complete it, I will show you how to do that. So our 600 credits is here, right? And we are ready to create. Awesome. So when you click on this home, you see home, we have generate image, we have generate video. But first, let's see how much credit this platform uses to generate images in case you want to generate an image. Okay, so let's say we want to use Nano Banana Pro. We have image models here, and we have video here. Okay, so let's open and see the image models, the type we have here. We have top 2, okay, we have GPT image here, we have Nano Banana Pro, we have Grok image. Grok image uses 10 credits, Banana Pro uses 75 credits. Okay, I would say go for the least, which is, the least credit, which is Grok imaging with references. You can add your reference character and generate. All right, so let's go ahead and see the video models. Once you click on this video model, you're going to see change model. We have Grok imaging video here. Let's see how much this uses. It uses only 130 credit to generate. So we have 600 credit. So do your mathematics. Grok imaging video 1.5, which is high credit, 225 credit. So we have Seedance 2.0, which is 200 credits. So you see, you can literally use Seedance 2.0 to create. Let's see Omni Flash, how much credit? 250 credits. So you can literally try this out. Okay, let's see View 3.1 fast. 100 credits, guys. Don't sleep on this. Limited. Jump on this and hurry before it gets saturated. I have to quickly put this out for you to start using this. Okay, so let's see the quality on this platform before we proceed. You can think about trying out these other versions. We have Clean here. Clean 3.0 is 235 credits. See this is beautiful. Honestly, this is amazing. So this platform is here for you to use. Platform first, let's look at the Seedance 2.0, because a lot of you are really asking for platforms you can use Seedance 2.0 for free. So I have found this one for you. Awesome. So if you have an image, you can literally upload image up to 9 images. You can see this, and you can upload a video if you want to actually use a video as a reference. Do you understand? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and paste my prompt here. I have my prompt. I don't have any image, but let's see if it's going to give us text to video. Okay, with audio, I'm going to toggle this on. Always make sure that you toggle this on, because if you don't toggle this on, you end up generating and it will not give you with sound. Okay, so if you just want to animate for animating purpose, you can literally toggle it off. Okay, all right, so you see here is 4 seconds, and if you go there, you can generate up to 15 seconds, but it will increase your credit. So you can literally go back and select the one that is limited to your credit. Go ahead and hit generate. Let's see if it will go without the image. I didn't put any, there's no image reference, just text to video. Okay, so, and we are using 720p. Okay, you have other p's. You can even reduce this. If you reduce this to give you 2240, so literally this is what we'd have used. So you can always reduce it to 480p so they can use lesser credit. But if you want higher credits to be used, of course, this is what is going to be used. So you can see the difference between 480p, 720p, and trust me, this 480p can still give you high quality output. Your video will start generating from here. Okay, you can see this, right? All right, so let's wait for it just a little time, and guys, our result is here. The name of this platform is, this is the name of the platform. So copy it and use it. All right, so guys, until then, see you in the next one.